Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an ECM espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking from the bottom, and it was one of these hoses that we had to pretty much replace. We have to pretty much reassemble the whole thing, put it all back together, make sure everything was not leaking as well. There was also a water pipe leaking as well from one of the fittings on the back of the machine. So we pretty much made sure everything's completely sealed, and yeah, that's all we did to the machine. And now let's test it out, starting with 1 shot of espresso. And a lot of water was coming out, especially below the tray. There was this tiny little bit of stream coming out whenever you do an espresso shot. But as you can see right now, working perfectly fine. We had good crema. Yeah, steamer working perfect, as well as the hot water. And yeah, there you have it. ECM working once again and not leaking a single bit. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day. And thanks for watching.